Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, there is a circular path around a sports field. A Sonika takes 18 minutes to drive around one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. So suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. So for after how many minutes will they meet? Again at the starting point. Okay. So it is mentioned in the question that there is a circular path around a sports field. Okay. So there is a circular path around a sports field. Okay. Around a sports field there is a circular path. Okay. So here Sonika takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field. Okay. So let this be the starting point. So Sonika takes 18 minutes. Okay. So Sonika takes 18 minutes to drive one round. That means from here to here. Okay. So if she wants to drive from one round, so she takes 18 minutes. Okay. And while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same, but Ravi takes only 12 minutes to drive the same distance. Okay. So suppose they start at the same point. So suppose they start at the same point. That means let this be the starting point of Sonika and Ravi. Okay. So this is the starting point of Sonika and Ravi. Okay. So Sonika takes 18 minutes to drive one round, and while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same time. Okay. So for after how many minutes will they meet? Okay. So it is asked to find that after how many minutes will they meet. Okay. So let us suppose let Sonika takes 6 minutes to drive one round, and let Ravi takes 8 minutes to drive the same one. Okay. So that means after how many minutes will they meet? Okay, we have to find. Let us suppose. Okay. So here Sonika takes 6 minutes. That means if she makes 4 rounds, okay, that means 4 rounds equal to 4 into 6. That means 24. Okay. So while Ravi, if he makes 3 rounds, okay, so that means 3 into 8 minutes equal to 24. That means after 24 minutes they will meet. So here 24 is the LCM of 6 and 8. Okay. So 6 comma 8 is, if we do LCM, if we calculate LCM, so 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. Okay. Again 2 table, 2 2 is 4, then 2 table, 2 1 is 3 1 is. Okay. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So 24 is the LCM of 2 numbers. That means we have to calculate the LCM of both Sonika and Ravi. Okay. So according to the question, its value is given that Sonika takes 18 minutes and Ravi takes 12 minutes. Okay. Sonika takes 18 minutes, while Ravi takes 12 minutes. Okay. So write the given data. Time taken by Sonika. Equal to 18 minutes, and time taken by Ravi equal to 12 minutes. Okay. So it is also mentioned in the question that they both start at the same point. Okay. So both Sonika and Ravi starts at the same point. Okay. So time taken by Sonika for one round. Okay. For one round. For one round. Time taken by Ravi for one round. Okay. So it is asked to find after how many minutes will they meet at the starting point. Okay. The time after which they both meet equal to LCM of 18 comma 12. Okay. LCM of 18 and 12. Now let us calculate the LCM of 18 and 12. Okay. So let us calculate with prime factorization methods. So 18 it is divisible by 2. So 2 9 is 18. Again 9 3 3 is 9. Next 12. 2 6 is 12. Okay. 2 3 is 6. So we can write 18 as 18 equal to, so 2 into 3 into 3. Because 2 into 3 into 3. That means 2 power 1 into 3 square. So similarly 12 we can write as 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. So that means 2 square into 3 power 1. Okay. So therefore LCM equal to, we know that LCM equal to product of greatest powers of each factor. Okay, so here each factor is 2 and 3 are the each factor, so 2 into 3 is the product of each factor. So greatest power of 2 is 2 square, so greatest power of 3 is 3 square, so 2 square into 3 square, so 2 square value is 4 into 3 square value is 9. Okay, so 4 9 is 36. Okay, so after 36 minutes, okay, so after 36 minutes both Sonika and Ravi meet at the same point. So this is the answer.